Look what I just got from scrapbook.com. This is a beautiful 4 stencil layering set called Layered Peony, Sizzix brand. And I'm going to be using it today to create, hopefully, some beautiful peonies. Stay tuned. Now, this particular set says to use with this stencil and stamp tool, but I'm not going to do that. I'm just going to stick with my plain old painter's tape. There are holes here for that little set contraption thing. But here are all the stencils. And we will put on one at a time. Okay, I have got my piece of paper that I'm going to be using, my white cardstock, and I went ahead and put that down. I learned that lesson the hard way last time. And then I've got my first stencil down. This is an all-over piece, and I have Blushing Bride. I have my Charming Pink. I have Picked Raspberry, Worn Lipstick, and Fire Brick. I'll be using all of these. So let's start first with the Blushing Bride. It's the lightest. I'm going to be going by this roughly, and we're going to do the lightest. And then I'm probably going to use the Fired Brick on the leaves. And then we'll go from there. I am using my Nuvo, I don't know what you want to call them, blending brush. Just give it a good background. Like so. Okay. Now let's put the second one on. I'll go ahead and put a second piece down here too. And let's use Worn Lipstick. And I do have a special sponge just for this color. And I got this from scrapbook.com. Ooh, that's bright. I'm going to do a gradient of color here and see how it turns out. Well, these are kind of delicate. Okay, there's that. Let's put it back on. And then then this one's ready for the next color, which will be picked raspberry, as well as a new stencil. How's that so far? Nice. Okay, let's put on the next one. Okay, this is going to be the fired brick. Let's see. Yes. Okay. I'm using this, the border, and let's go from there. Yes. Fired brick, and we have its own dedicated sponge. Okay, let's look at that. I got these straight out of the package. This is the first time I'm seeing this too. Interesting. Yes. All right. We have one more. And this will be our VersaFine Clair Charming Pink. And I will go ahead and use the other side of this. Okay. Interesting, interesting. So there we have it. Right out of the package, using this 4-layer stencil from Sizzix by scrapbook.com. So if you have any suggestions or comments, please let me know what I could have done different, better, worse, etc. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Bye-bye.